Welcome to our channel Love Story with Technology. I am Atesh. Today we are going to see how to migrate file server to Microsoft 365. You can migrate your all on-premises server content to Microsoft 365. So let's begin. Enter your URL office.com. We are going to log in Microsoft tenant for access your admin account. Then click sign in. Enter your credential, global admin credential. Authenticate via MFA. We always recommend MFA use for your global admin account. MFA authenticated, click yes. Go to the admins, left side, then click on SharePoint. This is our SharePoint admin console. Then you need to move to the migration tab. Here you can see the multiple migration types. You can migrate the G Suite, Dropbox, Ignite, Streambox, on-premises file server. We are using this file share. So I'm going to click this. Then we need to download the agent. I'm going to download. This agent work as a migration manager. This agent helps us to communicate your server to SharePoint site directly. So download is in process. You can see download completed. I am going to run setup. Click install as an app. It's checking for connection. Now using this agent, we need to sign in our SharePoint admin tenant. This one. So click on sign in. Again, enter your global admin credential. My account is already there, so I click on this. Need to authenticate via MFA. Authenticated. Checking connection again. The tenant is connected. You can see. Now we need to put our share path here. Which folder you need to migrate. So I wish to migrate this folder. I prepared this folder for testing migration data. You can see there is a 4 contain test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. So we are going to migrate this folder. So I'm going to put this path into here, SharePoint agent file share, then test. Okay, so here is a only read access. We need to put full access. I'm going to put a read and write access here. Share, done. Again, I'm going to run this. I changed the folder location because there is some permission issue. So I just copy paste that folder to this my new location, and that share path just paste here. Then I just test. Then you have access to this file. Then I need to move here, close it. agent connected successfully. Add source path. Here is the two options: specify a single source path or upload a CSV. If we have only single source, like we put this path, this is a single source. We need to migrate only single folder. But if you have multiple data, you can upload the CSV for bulk migration. So I'm going to select this, enter the full path here. This is the source path. Here is the only one folder. That folder is not containing any subfolder. So I'm going to remove this. Add. You can see ready to migrate. File count is 4. So we need to click this. Then copy to migration. Then we need to select the destination. We want to migrate this data to SharePoint side. So we select the SharePoint side. Click next. Then put your SharePoint active side here. So it's automatically taken. Then within your site there is a lot of folder like documents. You can create your separate library, but I am going to use the default one, document. Click next. Mention the task name. Here is a lot of filter. As per your requirement, you can choose this, like migrate file created after hidden date, schedule it, replace with the some special characters. So right now we are going with the default one, and task schedule run now. Run. Then you can see this side is here. I'm going to click on this site. Document. Here we are not able to find that folder, so we need to again came to SharePoint Admin Center and migrations. So here we are 0% completed. So it's still syncing. It's now showing 100% completed. Again, we go to our active site. Refresh it. Yes, you can see now all 4 files are migrated here. So our migration is completed successfully. Thank you for watching video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, Love Story with Technology. If you have any query related to the SharePoint migration, like on-premise file server to SharePoint migrations, please feel free to reach out to us. You can comment below the comment box, or you can write a mail to atishbarate@gmail.com. We can guide you for the migration further process, because these all the videos have their time limit. So if you want more detail, you can directly reach out to us. We can guide you or assist you the best way of migration as per your requirement. So thank you very much.